Got the Team Associated Rival MT10 brushless monster truck, 3-cell. My second Team Associated. Alright. The XP120. Very light. Associated Garage. I really like the color. Looks like they've got a 3-piece modular body. It's actually got licensed method wheels. Got headlights. Got taillights. What? It comes with a dust cover. What? That's the first I've ever seen. Steering linkage looks amazing. I'm really digging the fake exhaust. Oh, whoa. It's the new mask. There it is. So it has a 3300 kV brushless motor and a Reedy 3S compatible brushless ESC. It's got some tow hooks on the front. Bumper feels really, really nice, like it's actually going to take some impact. It's got front and rear sway bars on it from the factory for $309. Alright. Tail lights and the headlights. Back with another unboxing. This time we got the Traxxas Haas 4x4 VXL, 60 plus miles an hour. Wow. Wow. Oh. That's amazing. Wow, those tires are tough. Oh, that feels like it's going to handle so good. So it has a 2075 plastic geared servo. It has a plastic servo horn. It's all standard Rustler Stampede stuff. Love the clipless body. Love the way the body looks. VXL 3S ESC with the fan on it. And then we've got the 540XL brushless motor. 26mm battery tray. And I just so happen to have Traxxas 3S LiPo 5000 milliamp. Should go right in here. Bam, wham, slam, pow. What do you think of the car? What do you think? Is it cool? This is Cooper. You're such a good boy. Do you like it? What do you think? Oh yeah, I think he likes it. You gonna drive it? You gonna drive it? Oh, he doesn't want to drive it. Alright. He says leave the driving up to me.
He gave me the bug-eyed look like, no!
She has a lot of torque. Both brand new. Oh, another cool thing about the Traxxas Haas is the back wheelie bar. There's a flat spot on it, and it's perfect for putting 2 fingers in there and then 2 fingers on each side here, and it's perfect to carry. So on your left side, you have the Traxxas Haas. On your right side, you have the Team Associated Rival MT10. They are both completely stock. Me putting on an IC5 plug because I don't have anything Dean's.
How does that work? It just goes around over those 4 little notches?
Mm-hmm.
These little tiny things here.
I'm wondering if people give up and just don't use this thing because it's so easy to put on. You guys can see how easy this is. Well, you probably won't see all of this.
Maybe it's a 3-handed joke. Maybe you gotta poke them down with something.
I'm feeling cheated by this. Exactly. You gotta shove your fingernail under there.
Who's to say it's gonna stay in there when you go bashing around and jump? It's gonna go.
I will be the one to test that and find out, and I will let everybody know. First off, it needs Velcro. I'm just saying that straight off the bat. Mr. Dust Covers with the Velcro, hands down, a bazillion times easier than this. Good idea, bad execution. I don't have it on quite right. Whatever, good enough. Oh, did you get that?
No, maybe.
But you hooked a hard
hand was not holding
So
the phone.
Here's my first thought, and this is what I was thinking last night with the sway bars and no sway bars. Look at which one's not flipped over, and look at which one is flipped over. I think it's gonna be like that 9 out of 10 times. And on the first flip over, the body on the Haas popped out both sides.